Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get Iqiyi TV app if you're using the Play Store. Yes, that's right. So let's get started. Now, let's say you want to enjoy 1080p with Iqiyi TV, high definition, smooth experience, and you want to be able to switch subtitles. What you need to do, also get the double atmosphere home theater experience. What you need to do is to enter the home page and select Play Store at the right. Then, once you did, select Play Store. Then, next thing you're going to do, select the search bar at the title bar. Select the search bar, and then you type in Iqiyi, and you see the Iqiyi app here. So, once you've download it. After downloading it, the app can be found at the plus at the end of the application bar on homepage. You see that the plus, and then select it, and that's it. That's how to get it. So, hope you found this video helpful.